Today we have our new smart panel, which is IQSHARP. Talking about this particular panel, it is a 75 inches panel which comes with latest version, that is Android 13. Talking about the panel's screen, this is a 4K screen and this is the main menu. This is the Android interface. You also get the Windows interface, we will talk about that later. So this particular panel, when we go inside the settings, we have wireless network, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, hotspot and Bluetooth options. Personal settings, we have wallpaper, screensaver, screen lock, app lock, multi-window mode, long press with 5 fingers to turn off the screen, which is some other features. And talking about this particular panel here, the device name, Android version, color version, build number, etc. System, we have the place to set date and time, language, storage and other stuff which can be useful, and the factory reset button. Further on, here I have the notes button. Notes can be used to teach, to talk or to share. Here, when I talk about the option pen, pen comes with two sides, front and back. Front is set already on the pencil mode and the back hand is set on the brush mode. I can use the front end to write something like hello, Bhav is my name, and I can use the back end to highlight this particular word, tell you that this is my name, and to erase it I can use my palm to simply erase it. But if I just want to erase this outer circle, this specific outer circle, what we like to do, we like to erase it like this. It won't be really good, or I'll maybe erase my name, then I'll use this eraser option. And first, whatever I have erased, I'll use undo so that the things remain on my panel. I'll use eraser and then I'll erase it. Now it's clean again. And to clean everything that's on the panel, I'll just simply press clean over. And after this, I'll select my ruler option. Ruler can be used to make straight lines. See, if I try to draw a straight line on my own, I draw it like this. This is not exactly a straight line, but with the help of this ruler, I can draw a perfect straight line. And if I want to draw a triangle, I can also use the triangles. Here we have two options for drawing triangles. These are our geometrical equipments which can be used for telling the students or helping them to understand geometry in a better way. And to draw specific angles, like if I am talking about, I'll draw a line first. Here's my line. But if I want to draw a specific angle, what should I do? I should select my protector, move this pointer to a specific degree, like I want to draw 120 degree. I set it on 120, then I'll just click on tick mark, and this here is 120 degrees. So it is really helpful for the students to understand it in a better and broader way. So I'll deselect all these options and clean this board again. Now, here I have options of shapes. So what are the shapes? I have two options, 3D shapes, which is a sphere option. Here is my sphere. Here is my hemisphere. Here is my cuboid. Here's first. So these are my 3D shapes. Talking about the 2D shape, we have a special option again here. Either I can use this to draw random circles, or I can use this magic option, this AI option, to draw a circle with my hand and it will already become a circle. Then I'll draw this. It has to be a specific shape to stay on the board. If I draw something very long, like if I scribble, it will become a circle. I just need to complete it like this, like this. I'll just again clean everything all up, and here we have another option which is partition. Talking about partition, it can be used in a one go. I already told you that this particular panel comes with multi-touch option. Multi-touch means 2 or 3 students, 4 students, 5 students can write on this panel in one go, and doesn't matter which color they select. If I stay on one side, they will be of specific color. This particular student cannot cross here, and this particular student writing cannot cross here. So they won't be able to disturb each other. That's a great option, I guess. And further on, I can clean this all up. It's so messy. I have the options table. I'll insert a table. This particular table here can be used to grow. I can erase this because I don't really want this particular word to be written here. I can use this table. If I select it, I can differentiate in its size, or I can either add columns in it, columns or rows. I can use it for many purposes like trigonometry, stats and other. For example, if I write sine theta, cos theta and tan theta, and here I'll write 0, 13 and 45 degree. So what's sine 0? I want to know. It's 0. What's cos 0? It's 1. And what's tan 0? It's 0. So like this, it can be used to write trigonometric tables. And what will happen if I extend my words? Like if I'm writing like this, and O across the table. The table will adjust itself automatically. You don't really need to think about it. You don't need to grow it again and again. While writing in a specific section, if you are writing and it just went outside, the whole table will adjust itself automatically. That's a new model of AI. Cleaning it all, we also have mind mapping. Mind mapping here can be used for flowcharts, like for writing kingdoms. If we go right here, kingdom, and we can also put it like this. It can all automatically make the word perfect. Select this and we can move our table. So what are the kingdoms that we have? We have plant kingdom, we have animal kingdom, and further on can also be increased like kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. And here it comes also with sticky notes. Like I want to remind the class of something, that today's homework, and I can write okay, and that's right there. What's today's homework? Sticky notes are really a useful option too. And talking about preview, what's preview? If I want to move this like somewhere, or I want to decrease it. Now it's all decrease and I'll put it here. Then again I'll use this panel to write something more. And then if I want to change the size again, I'll just zoom it again. See, I can see how useful it is. So that's all for today. Thank you.